is no typical day in the cooking school because we do just so many different events. We do wine dinners, whiskey dinners, kids camp, hands-on classes, demonstrations, but what is very typical is that we're having a good time. The menus that we put together really can be anything that we want, and so we really do a lot of food and recipe exploring, and the people who come to the dinners are always open to new things, which makes it really fun for us. So we do have a lot of teammates come for whiskey dinners and other events. In August, we're going to start applying the 10% teammate discount to encourage teammates to join us at the cooking school and enjoy one of the super fun and unique things that Schnucks does provide for us in terms of community and camaraderie and learning about food and enjoying just the atmosphere and having a good time together. And if they're interested in learning something that we don't have on the calendar, you can always give us a call and we can create a class of whatever you want. Like if you want to learn more about Indian cuisine, Thai cuisine, basic knife skills. We have some dessert classes, bread making classes, and things like that coming up in the fall. So keep an eye out on our website. Lots of things going on.